Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the August Scrapdiva design die release. So none of these dies will be available till August 1st. So when August 1st comes around, I'll come back to this video and I will put links to the dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. There'll be affiliate links when you use them. They help me and my channel. They don't cost you anything extra. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let's go ahead and begin. So we have flowers, and we have two plates with two sizes. There's a small and a large, and this is called the Heart Fantasy Flower. So I did do some examples for you. So I did some in a Victorian velvet and some in picked raspberry. That's the name of the distress ink that I use to color the flowers. So I made a type of a rose to show you what that looks like. And I also made one like this, which is more of an open flower than a closed flower. And as you can see in this die, you do get the little centers for that. So I did mine in gold and put a little pearl in the center just to show you example on how to make these flowers. And this right here is the small size. I didn't make any of the large ones yet. So the small size flower is about a 1 1/4 inch, and the larger flower you're looking at 1 and looks like 5/8 of an inch. Yeah, 1 5/8 of an inch. So good size flowers, and they came out so pretty. And then I used my glitter. I painted them with Elmer's glue and then sprinkled my glitter mix that I like to put on my flowers on these. So that is the flower die. Again, that's called the Heart Fantasy Flower. Next we have up this really cute mini album. This is called the Cow Mini Album, and you can see he's got like a little birthday hat on. So this is going to be fun to play with. This has several dies in it. It looks like you can make it with and without the birthday hat maybe. But there's a layer right here with the horns without the birthday hat. And then you have 3 layers with the birthday hat. And then all the different pieces, his eyes, and this is his nose. You have all the pieces to create a really cute cow. And I will be playing with this pretty soon, and I'll share that with you. That's a fun little mini album. Next we have what is called the 3D Barn Gift Box. And as you can see here, this is the top of the barn, and it's got a little handle. So I will have some examples of this coming for you pretty soon. I didn't play with this yet. I did some smaller dies so that I could have enough examples to show you. So that's a nice big die. Next we have a 3D embellishment book, and I did open this. This has, I think there's 2 or 3 different, I think there's 3 different size flowers in this, and leaves, and some words that says handmade with love, I believe. And this is a book. This piece right here is for the inside of your book to hold your embellishments. I did cut that out because I was trying to figure out how to put this together. And I did figure it out, so I will be playing with this soon, and I'll come back with some projects for that. This is a fun die to have in your collection. Also, we have some letters. This is the uppercase letters, and this is the lowercase letters, plus there's punctuation in this, and this one also has numbers. So this is a good size die to have. This has also punctuations. It's got question marks. This has parentheses. So this is really cool. I'm thinking that this would be really fun in a junk journal So I'll be back with some projects with this. So the letters measure, they are 1 1/4 inch high. Yep, 1 1/4 inch high. And of course these are going to be the same because they match. They're the lowercase. So you get, it does say upper alphabet and number set, and this one says lowercase alphabet. So there's no numbers with this, but you get a $sign, you get the and sign, you get these little brackets. There's several different pieces to use with this to create words and sentences. Very, very cute. This one has the parenthesis and the question mark, and of course the numbers and all the capital letters. So another fun die set release. Now the next ones I'm going to show you have lots of examples for you, and I'm going to pull this one into view. And isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh, look at this. So this is called the Cute Cow, and this goes along with your barn, I think. We have some barn animals, we have a cow mini album, and we have a barn box. So I just wanted to show you how cute these are. And I did do a lot of layering. If you want me to do some videos on how I put these together, I can do that. I did do layering on the nose to give it some depth, and I did extra cutting on some of the other elements on here just to give some dimension. But the cow is so super cute, isn't it? And you get all these pieces. You get the tail, you get the spots for the cow, you get a back portion that has the little horns, the eyes, the this little part of his nose cuts out and it has the holes in it. You just back it with some black. So yes, really, really cute. So that's the cow. We have a horse, and look at how cute the horse is. I made mine with a little bit of white so he stands out, and I put a little bow on him. His mane is right here. Came out really, really cute. I did a little bit bigger bow on this one. I don't have these earmarked for what I'm going to do with them yet, but I just wanted to make a few of them to get them ready for a project. And this is called, I think, the Cute Horse. Yes. So we got the cute cow, the cute horse, and then we come in with the cute pig. And it's cute. He's got a little curled tail. He's got a little, well, I put the bow. I used some dye that I had in my stash. I put a little bow on the head to make him a little girl. And you get all the pieces for the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose. I drew my mouth in. It does, what do you call it, emboss into the cardstock, but I drew it in so you could see it. And then you get these little pieces for the hoofs. So that is the cute little pig. So we got 3 farm animals this time around. We've got a cow, a horse, and a pig. And then we have a couple word dies. And we got this one right here, which is called the Grateful Word. And you can see I did a couple examples for you with black and gold. I see some little pieces of glue there. So I'll be using this in a project. I love the font on this. The font is beautiful. So we have this, which is the word grateful. And then we have the word thankful. And I did a couple examples so you could see this. And I love this font. It's beautiful. And this is a nice size word for either your mini albums or your cards. Also junk journals. All right, that's another example I have. And one more, the last die I'm going to show you out of the August release is this beautiful bow die. And I'll push these off so I can give you the correct name on the die. It is called the Triple Star Bow. There are 2 sizes in this die set. This is the large. And the large measures from point to point, it's 3 1/8. So from this star to this star, it's 3 1/8, and it is 1 7/8 inch wide. And it's so pretty, isn't it? This would be good for your 4th of July crafts that you do because of the stars. And you could actually do this with white and then do a red or a red and blue, or a white and blue designer paper on here to make it red, white, and blue with a gold background would be beautiful as well. But it is such a pretty bow, and it's nice and large. So you get the large, and you get the pieces to do this. So you get the pieces to cut out your designer paper and your pieces to cut out the background. And it also has a little piece here to tie around the middle. So I made 3 of the big ones to show you. So that's number 2. And then I made one in gold with the gold background. Oh, here's the big one. All right, so that's 3 of the large. And I also made 3 of the small. The small one, I'll pick this one up right here and measure this one for you. This one is 1 1/2 inches wide. And it is from star point to star point, it's 2 5/8 inches wide by 1 1.5 inches. Okay, and this came out really cute as well. And there's the one in the gold, really, really pretty. I like this bow die set. I can see myself using this a lot. I love the little stars and how nice and wide the background is, so you can really see the lace. So it's beautiful. So that is the August release of the Scrapdiva design dies that are coming up August 1st. They will be available for purchase then. And I will be having more projects for you as I'm working through these die sets. I think there is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, there's 12 dies in this August release. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of projects coming up to keep you interested. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye.